Coordinating conjunctions connect equal ideas in a sentence. Today we focus on the word but shows contrast or opposition between two ideas. When you use but, the second part surprises or differs from the first part. But is a coordinating conjunction. It joins two equal ideas or clauses. The main purpose of but is to show contrast or opposition. Use, but when the second idea goes against what people expect from the first idea. Here is a simple example. The film was good but very long. Notice how the first part says something positive. The second part shows the opposite, but connects these contrasting ideas smoothly. It looks sunny, but it is cold. First part suggests warm weather. Second part gives opposite information. She studied hard but failed. Effort does not match the result, but shows this unexpected difference. I like pizza but not mushrooms. Personal preference with an exception. I wanted to run but it rained. Plans change because of unexpected events, but connects what we want with what really happens. But is a conjunction that joins clauses directly. However is an adverb that needs more punctuation, but works in casual speech. However sounds more formal in writing. Sales are up but satisfaction is down. Use but to join two simple clauses. Sales are up semicolon, however comma satisfaction is down. However needs semicolon or period before it. However means nevertheless, comma nonetheless, comma, yet comma though comma although. But also works with yet comma though comma, still comma although. Choose words that fit formal or casual situations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.